Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. You guys are watching Crystal's Deep Tarot, and today I'm going to do the career readings for the sign of Taurus for the month of September 2021. So watch this video if you are a Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising or Venus sign, and keep in mind that these are the general readings. So they may or may not resonate for all of you. If they do not do, you can check for any other placements. So let's see what's happening for Taurus in the month of September in their career and finances. Okay, let's see. All right, so at the bottom of the deck we have Knight of Pentacles. Things happening really slow, right? Because you're Taurus, you're doing a lot of hard work maybe about something. Things are happening, they're bringing stability, but they are happening very slow in your career life, right? So let's see what happened in the past. I see that in the past you might have you might be passionate about something and you might have taken a step towards it. It might have been very impulsive, very quick. You might not have even thought about consequences, and you might have stepped into something just because you were very passionate about it, and without giving a thought to it, you might have stepped into it, right? So maybe something like that might have happened. Things happen very quickly, right? Now I see that in the present moment, maybe you have got an offer about something that you have always loved, right? You always wanted to do because you love doing it. Maybe you might have got an offer, right? Now this offer might even be from a friend of yours, right? Not necessary, but yes, somebody has offered you something. But I see that maybe because of being impulsive in the past, things might have crumbled down, and you feel like, right, my foundations have got shaken up, and you know that things have come to the surface. Whatever foundations on which you had built your career and finances in the past, right, all that might have come on the floor, and something might have happened, right? So now the thing is, the universe has actually given you a chance, because Tower doesn't talk about things coming to an end. It talks about universe giving you a chance to build your foundations correct, right? Make sure that everything is fair. Don't keep anything hidden or any lies or secrets, right? And build your foundations correct, and then move step forward, right? So maybe just because of being impulsive and very quick in the past, you might have not have thought about a certain things, and you might have been impulsive about doing things and about taking your decisions, right? So now universe has actually given you a chance. Somebody might have approached you, as I said, some offer you might have received, which is to build your foundations correct, which is giving you a chance, right? Now I see that in the near future, right, you might get an opportunity to turn a new idea into reality, right? So this is an idea which is to be nurtured with creativity. There might be a lady who might be helping you. She might be a very strong and powerful lady. Not necessary. If that is not the case, I see that there is going to be a birth of a new plan, right? Now it will take time, right, to grow, but with your creativity you will be maybe getting a lot of abundance because of that, but you need to nurture it, right? So I see that the environment is like somebody, as I told you, has offered you made you some offer, right, to build your foundations correct, but you are not actually responding to that offer because you are just reflecting upon the things that went wrong in the past, right? So now this is something which universe is offering you, right? Universe is offering you the help, and this is you only who's not even paying attention towards it. So and I would want you to see that not everything has ended, right? You believe that whatever you had built has crumbled down and everything has come to the surface, but this is a universe that is offering you a chance to begin the things in the correct way and build your foundations correct. Now this is your responsibility to pay attention to the offer that universe is offering you, but maybe you're not doing anything about it. You're just in that reflection mode. You're like, no, I don't want to do anything now because things went wrong in the past. Let me see. No, that is not the case. Now you are basically, you have a fear that what if again such things happen and I am unable to see through the things, and maybe the things, there's a lot of confusion, right, around the situation. You're totally confused. You don't know where to go. You don't know what choice to make. You don't know whether you will be able to do the things right this time or not. Or maybe just like the last time, the things might just crumble down. So it's all your thoughts which are troubling you and not letting you actually take a decision, right? So please make sure that you are clear headed, right, in order to make that decision. And I would suggest just take some time out for yourself and maybe go to a river or a place where there is water, and try to think about this thing in solitude. What do you actually want, right? Now I see that in the far future, you might see an opportunity, right? Might come to you and might offer you something that you've always been passionate about. Now, as I told you, you will get an offer, right? It would be a seed, and you have to nurture it. I see very good, opportunities coming towards you in the future. Now, it depends upon you because it's a seed, so you have to grow it. You have to nurture it. When we receive a seed, when we get a seed, we cannot expect it to become a plant or a tree just in a day. We need to nurture it, right? We need to make plans and take an action towards it, right? If it is going to be just in your head, it is not going to go anywhere. We need to be taking action towards it as well. And whatever that offer will be coming to you, it is going to be something that you are really going to feel passionate about, right? So it's your responsibility to take action towards it as well. Now I'll draw some oracle cards for you, Taurus, for the month of September 2021 for your career and finances. Let's see the oracle messages for you guys. Crossing bridges, choosing your path. Okay, so in the flow. So crossing bridges. It's time for healing, connecting, mending, and releasing. Yes, you need to heal yourself. Whatever happened in the past, it's not necessary that the same thing is going to happen again, right? Universe has given you an opportunity. Now it depends upon you. How do you want to take it? So it's time you heal yourself, connect, mend, and release whatever negative, experiences that you had in your career, maybe in the past. And now carefully plan the things. Don't be impulsive, right? So choose your path because everything is possible. All is possible for you if you decide to, right? You're getting very good opportunities, as I said. In the flow, everything is smooth sailing. Believe this. Believe this, that everything is in the flow and universe is helping you out, right? So yeah, that's what I have, Taurus, for you for the month of September for your career life. I hope it helps and resonates. So do like, share, and also comment in the comment section and let me know from where you're logged in, because it's always good to know. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.